Welcome to LET Training, and thank you for your interest in the Diploma of Leadership and Management. This course is a nationally recognised qualification which is in line with the Australian Qualification Framework standards. All industries and work sites need leadership and management skills, and this course provides you with the opportunity to progress in your current job or change careers. For example, becoming a manager. The course is also suited to students that want to formalise their existing leadership and management skills. If you're considering a new career in leadership or wondering what the potential opportunities after completing the Diploma of Leadership and Management course are, here are some potential career pathways. Leadership and management skills are great skills to have. They can help you progress within your company. This course provides skills that are nationally recognised and can help you understand what it means to become a leader in your workplace. According to research evaluated by PayScale on the PayScale website, the average wage in Australia for a team leader with only 1 to 4 years experience is $54,000. And you're looking at an average rise to $57,000 with 5 to 9 years of experience. Our trainer support is flexible and adaptable to our students. Our assessment response times are within 5 business days, and your feedback is provided by a certified trainer. The resources we provide are available online 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We like to keep our pricing competitive at LET Training. We have plenty of payment plan options available, including weekly, fortnightly and monthly payment plans. The course enrolment term is 12 months. However, it takes an average of 8 to 10 months to complete the course. Thanks for watching our Diploma of Leadership and Management introduction video. You can enrol via the Diploma of Leadership and Management page on the LET Training website, or for further informational course material you can contact us directly at 029633 3929 or by the email address provided below. Thanks a lot.